Hey everyone, if your Hair portable air conditioner suddenly stops working or starts acting strangely, don't worry most of the time. A quick reset is all it needs. The first reset you should try is a full power reset. Start by unplugging the air conditioner completely from the wall. This step is important because it cuts off all electricity to the unit. Leave it unplugged for at least 3 to 5 minutes so the internal components can fully discharge and reset. After waiting, plug the unit back in and turn it on to see if it's working normally again. If that doesn't fix the issue, move on to the safety plug reset. Many higher portable AC units use a GFCI safety plug that can trip and shut the unit down. Unplug the unit, then look closely at the power plug for a small reset button. Press it firmly until you feel or hear a click, then plug the unit back in and try turning it on. If your model has a reset button on the control panel itself, press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a pen or similar object. If the unit still doesn't work, double check the basics. Make sure the outlet is working, check your circuit breaker, and clean the air filter, since dirty filters can cause shutdowns or weak cooling. If problems continue after all these steps, it's best to check your user manual or contact a qualified technician.